A woman's tresses are her most prized assets. No matter how short or long, healthy or dull, a woman will always be fussing with her tresses. She knows it is that part of her body that can make her look or break her look. So as women, we style them, we color them, we get them cut bob short, we use extensions just to get that hair right. It is a constant struggle for most of us to have our hair just behave, live and breathe. 1. Nuts and seeds. This is the first on my list because it is often forgotten from our daily diet. Nuts are actually the easiest foods to grab, instead of that Cef puree around the corner of your office/home. Keep a good stock of them in your best access drawers and you will find yourself on your way to better hair and better waistline. Pistachios, almonds, Brazil nuts, walnuts, flax seeds, pine nuts are all superb foods for the hair. 2. Vegetables. You've all heard from your mothers of how vegetables are amazing hair foods, so I'll keep this short. Eat lots of green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, coriander, mint leaves, etc. They will give you the much needed mineral boost. Lack of minerals is the most common cause of hair woes. Sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, cantaloupe are all great vegetables to feed your hair for that shine. 3. Fruits. Orange, guava, kiwi, papaya, strawberry all help strengthen the hair follicle and prevent brittleness. Take care to include at least 2 fruits in your daily diet and see the wonders it does. 4. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps absorb iron in our body, which in turn helps reduce hair fall. Come on, let's agree. Every mum must have given this advice to her daughter: eat amla. They'll make your hair so beautiful and bouncy. Well, our mums were absolutely right. We need to bring amylase back into our diet and do it now. 5. Proteins. Protein-rich foods strengthen the hair. All you vegetarians out there, start imbibing a balanced portion of these in your diet: milk and milk products, sprouts, tofu, green peas, pulses, oats. All these foods have good levels of protein, so vegetarians need to have them in enough amounts. Including a cup of yogurt in your daily diet will work wonders for your hair. 6. Iron. A healthy diet with iron-rich foods will keep hair strong and healthy. Iron is found in dark green vegetables, liver and red meats, oily fish and egg yolk. 7. Omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fats are found in the cell membranes of the skin on your scalp. These oils help to keep your scalp and hair hydrated, and trichologists believe they play a role in the health of both your scalp and your hair. 8. Vitamin A. This is needed to keep your immune system healthy and to promote cell growth. Foods such as sweet potato, carrots, peppers and green vegetables are great sources of beta-carotene, the plant version of vitamin A. 9. Biotin. A lack of this B vitamin can result in brittle hair, or even hair loss. You can find biotin in breakfast cereals, eggs, cheese, yogurt, kidney beans and chicken.